I think currently most people just use mesenchymal stem cell because that's the cell type that is safe, people knows. And also for anti-aging or longevity, I think it did have an effect that the MAC, for example, it can secrete anti-inflammatory factors and also other trophic factors that maybe help the stem cell being healthy in the body already. So I think at this moment, most people just use mesenchymal stem cell. I think that's depend on which somatic stem cells. Like for example, like in the blood, you can still have a quite a high capacity of regenerative, you know. But if you look at the other source, like in the brain, like neural stem cells, even like when you were very young, just like newborns, like already pretty much is like the neurons were already differentiated. So there's really not many that stem cells. So it's hard to say which age exactly, yeah. Yeah, I think so, like different tissues, like for example, you know, liver has a high capacity of regenerate, you know. So you can, of course, even like in brain, you can look at the neural stem cells. I think the best way is to look at the gene expression level, depend on which source. So in that way, you measure the expression of stem cell markers that you can have an idea, you know, to measure the level of your stem cell if you want to. So that again, you know, will be depending of what stem cells you are giving it. In the case of like mesenchymal stem cells, I think people, you know, you do an infusion or IV, you know, most people give anything like maybe like 50 million to 100 million cells. Again, none of this has been done clinically to like have a dose escalation study. What is the optimal dose? And I also think it's depend on the person's weight and age and a lot of things. So I think, but that's the range people normally give.